When the first snow covers the garden and everything seems gray and empty, it's easy to assume that nothing can be done and that the soil is resting. In reality, winter is the perfect time to care for your garden and prepare it for spring. A bare garden during the cold months loses vital nutrients, the soil structure deteriorates, and the ground becomes more vulnerable to erosion. With a few thoughtful actions, you can keep the soil alive and ensure a strong start to the growing season. Planting winter vegetables is one of the simplest ways to keep your garden active. Spinach, chard, carrots, parsley, red and white onions, and certain types of radishes can withstand freezing temperatures and even light snowfall. These plants not only provide fresh produce when it is least expected, but they also keep the soil working. Their roots loosen the surface, improving aeration and encouraging beneficial microorganisms to remain active. The slow growth of these plants plays a crucial role in protecting the soil, retaining moisture, and maintaining nutrient levels, so the garden is ready for spring. Alongside planting, adding natural fertilizers can greatly improve soil health. Well-rotted compost or manure enriches the soil and enhances its structure, and covering it with a layer of mulch made from leaves, straw, hay, or shredded grass helps create a stable, moist microclimate. Under this protective layer, organic material gradually breaks down, releasing nutrients and transforming compacted soil into a loose, humus-rich medium. By the time spring arrives, the soil is dark, crumbly, and full of life, ready to support vigorous plant growth. It is important to remember that the soil should never be left completely bare. Exposed ground becomes cold, lifeless, and susceptible to nutrient loss, while beneficial microorganisms retreat or die. Mulch keeps the soil warm, preserves moisture, and fosters the natural decomposition of added organic matter, ensuring that the soil remains healthy and fertile. Winter is not a time for the garden to rest. There are many tasks that can strengthen the soil and prepare plants for the coming season. Collecting compostable materials, nourishing the soil with organic amendments, and planting hardy winter crops all contribute to a garden that is resilient and productive. The work done during these quiet months pays off in spring when the first warm days arrive and the garden comes to life. Caring for your garden in winter is an investment in its future. Every action, from planting and protecting the soil to enriching it with nutrients, ensures that the garden remains strong, fertile, and ready for a successful growing season. Winter is not the end of gardening, it is the essential preparation that allows everything to thrive when the season changes.